Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split long post into multiple pages on WordPress website. Sometimes people would like to make the single WordPress page content into multiple pages for easy to read in the different section. In this case, how they can split the pages into multiple pages. Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. In my WordPress website, I have a long content. I would like to split this page into 3 pages. First, we have to go to WordPress admin. Then we have to go to post. Then you have to select the page that you would like to split the content. So you have to click on the edit. Then you have to click on the plus icon. Then you have to search the page break. Then you have to drag it into the section what you would like to make the page break. Again, you have to click on this. So this section I would like to add. So now you have to save the pages. Then you can check it out this page. You have to refresh this. Now you have to scroll down. You can check it out. The single page splitted into 3 pages. You can also move for the second page and we can move for third page. So in this way you can split the long post into multiple pages on your WordPress website. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.